there's nothing the guy can do about that. But when I get back, I'll be all tan and brown, and we'll buy that cottage just outside of town. So goodbye, dear, I'll be back in a year. Don't forget that I love you. He was dressed in khaki, she was dressed in blue. Then I heard him whisper, darling, I love you. And though I didn't mean to listen to a word, this is what I overheard. Goodbye, dear, I'll be back in a year, 'cause I'm in the army now. You know, my darling, I'll miss you so, but nevertheless, it's my duty to go. I'll save every bit of my dollar a day, or we'll have some wedding expenses to pay. So goodbye, dear, I'll be back in a year. Don't forget that I love you. Here's a little scene that we saw today. A soldier and his sweetheart before he went away.
Tell me, Army, now. Say, listen, promise that you'll write to me every day, and each night at 9 you'll be hitting the hay.
Company, fall in!
Well, I gotta go, dear. Goodbye.